This is our today's topic, model-driven programmability. Okay, we have seen your last classes. Young, netconf, right guys? Last class, restconf, restconf, right? So what is happened? These things we have seen last classes. Let me come here. Let me explain you data models. Data models. A data model is well understood and agreed upon methods to describe something. Method to describe something. Okay, this is known as our data model. We have here we have seen young, this one inside the last class. Let me come on that. That is known as what? Yet another next generation. Next generation. Generation. Okay. Young is given by NIDF
2000.
2010 is a data modeling language. Okay. Transmission used both what internally and when your packet is ready to transmit. Ready to transmit. That means transmit. That means the construction of the packets, Young will be help. Okay, Young will be help in the construction of the packet. In the time of construction, of construct the packet and at the time for transport. Understood? This is our Young model. Young format also we have learned. Remember, no? Then after we have NMT. Young format I explained you. Then after we are coming here,
Yes.
young format we have done. Young format finished. In last classes. Right? I'm coming here. We need to know about the next topic here. The next topic is mine, NMT. NMT. What is NMT? That is my network management transport. Transport. Okay. What is happening here? The configuration and operational status. This is also important. And operational status of a network devices of a network devices components and services can be remotely read or written to. Read or written to. Netconf, netconf, restconf, are APIs which describe the protocols and methods for transport of network management data or network data. See here what is happening. The model driven programmability stack. We'll see this part.
Sorry, we said protocols of network method for transport of network management and
Network NMC, that is your network management and programmability.
and program.
We came here, model driven programmability. We are coming here, the model driven NMT we are discussing, right? NMT right now, right? Network management transport, and the last statement I given, network management data, NMT, network management data.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry. See here, everyone. The model driven Yeah, we are coming on the model driven programmability stack. Stack. See here how it is working. Netconf, then after we have here RESTconf, then after we have here other is our, that is 2 is more than enough. I'll be yours. That 2 is enough. Okay. Then after we have here young data models. Data models. Here is our operation part is there. Operation part is there. And here is our, sorry. This is my, here is my configuration part is there. Here is my configuration and here is my operational part. Then after you are getting here standard. This is vendor specific the configuration, operational, standard and vendor specific. Standard, which company is vendor means which company, like Cisco, Palo Alto, kinds of that. Okay, that language inside that they will use which companies you are using, for which company this one devices is there, that this is coming here. Then after that is called vendor specific. Okay, then after device features is coming here. This will be your device features. Features will be there. Then after you have here the facility you will find here. What facility? Interface, like interface. Interface is there. EF. You can use the routing protocols like EIGRP, OSPF, whatever. EIGRP, OSPF, BGP. Okay. Then after quality of service. Quality of service, this part is your CCNP or CCI. This is your CCNP or CCI. Okay, we will learn more their quality of services. Packets controlling there inside that quality of service, giving the preference inside the quality of service of the packets data flow. Then after we are coming here, next point we have here access list. We have here ACL and more. Like this is the data model driven programmability stack. Like this is the way of the data flow. That program we will use now, like this way it will go. Understood my point? If you are coming here in the netconf communication, let me write here. Done everyone? Guys, done? Everyone is there?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay. Fine. Come here. I'm removing, okay? Clearing out, huh? Clear it. I'm coming on the netconf communication. Netconf communication. If you will discuss on netconf configuration, here you will find system PC is there. I'm writing here netconf communications communications. How it will go? See here. Netconf. Then after you have programming language XML. Then after it is going to YUM data. YANG data. Data flow. Okay, that should be come inside your examination. Okay. Next, when you send this one to the, this is system PC, this is your server. Server may be the router. Maybe this is the router. Okay. So what you will get from there, communications will be back. That communications. Oh, that should be back here. It should be use the netconf. Same like netconf XML, XML and young data. Like this way, it will be flow. Okay guys, I am coming netconf and young generation, how it is working. Let me write here. Very important points I'm going to discuss here. See everyone. Topic heading is netconf young yet another next generation, that is your yeah. Already we discussed next generation. What is happening here? Netconf is designed as a right here. Netconf was designed as a replacement, very much important, as a replacement for SNMP. You have idea about it, okay? SNMP, that is a protocol. Netconf netconf and young provide provide a standard provide a standard way to program, way to program, inspect and modify modify the configuration of a network device. Of a network device. Next point is telling you YUM. I know you know where this is came in 2010. It's a data modeling language. I already explained what is data modeling. It's a data modeling language which provides a standard way to represent standard way what way to represent the operational and configuration. Operational we have seen there, right? Operational, operational and configurational. Two main, that stack I shown you know, their operational and configurational part was there, right? So operational and configurational data of network device, data of network device. Okay, fine, fine everyone. Next point you should write here. Continue this point. Okay, we are continuing this all. We are continuing this one. Okay, so what I will do, let me delete this. I'm writing here netconf that is for by IETF 2006 is a protocol that remotely reads or applies rates or applies changes to the data on the device, data on the device. XML programming language, encoding is used, encoding and decoding. Okay, so we will use here encoding. The transport is over when we are sending this programming language. The transport is over either SSH or TLS services. Understood everyone? Here's this point.
What is the TLS services?
These are the two services is there, TLS version 1 and 2. This is where when we are sending this message as well, that TLS is security for security perspectives, we are using either SSH or TLS. TLS version 1, 1.5, right? You can go and check. TLS app handshake is also there, very much important. Okay, that things you have to see, you have to check it out, you have to study there. Okay, that is the secure configuration, secure that data transmission on the internet we are doing with the help of SSH or with the help of our TLS. part is coming here. Okay, handshake is there, very much important for the interview perspectives. Okay, very much important for the interview perspective. Come here, see. Next point I'm giving you. NetConf. NetConf. Protocol stack. What is here? See here. We have here content. Content is there. We have here operations is there. Operations is there. We have here message is there, and we have here transport is there. Okay, see here in the content part, if we are coming on the content, the data to be inspected or changed. The data to be inspected or changed. Next we have operations. Example is like this way we will write operations get config, comma edit config. 1 minute, guys, one call is there, just a minute.